Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is question 6A under Vectors 2023 Paper 2 GCE. Okay. So we are given important information here. Vectors telling us M is the midpoint. Here M is the midpoint. So without wasting much of the time, let's just solve this beautiful question. Okay, so we're asked to express in terms of A and O B vectors here. The first one is vector OB. So vector OB is equal to, so it's OB. So the origin is O. So we're going to move OA plus AB, because OA we have the vector 2, we have given 2 vector A, and this we are given the vector. We can't move OC because the CB, we don't know the value of CB. Alright, so OB, so we're going to say OA, vector OA plus A vector AB, like this. Then what is vector OA is 2 vector A plus AB is vector B, and this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer to the first question. Then the second question is CB. So to find CB, the origin is C. You're going to move CO plus OB, or you can move CO plus OA plus AB. Okay, so we're going to use the shortcut, which is CO plus OB. Okay, now CO, since it's opposite vector, so it will be its negative vector OC. Okay, plus vector OB, like this, since it's opposite. So since it's negative, so it will be negative 3 vector B plus OB. OB is this answer we found here, which is 2 vector A plus vector B. Now when you look at this question, we're going to find like we have like terms. We have vector B and vector B here, so you can say negative 3B vector B plus vector B plus 2 vector A. So we have an invisible one here. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2 vector B plus 2 vector A. Therefore, vector CB is equal to, always start with the positive number and the positive vector, which we're going to say 2 vector A minus 2 vector B. So we can factorize this one. Common factor is 2, open bracket, 2 into 2 remain with vector A here, minus 2 into 2 there, remain with vector B, and this is the answer. Okay, so this is the expanded one, this is the factorized. Alright, so they found vector CB. Let's go to the second question, which is we're asked to find AC. So 1, 2, 3, find AC. Let's check where AC is. It's here, AC. The origin is A, so you can either move AO plus OC or AB plus BC. Okay, so whichever way we will find the same answer. Let's move AB plus BC, and I'll also show you AO plus OC. See how we'll find. We'll see that we'll find the final answer. AC is equal to vector AB plus vector BC. Now you notice that vector BC here, so let's say AB, vector BC is negative vector CB, is opposite CB, okay, opposite of this one. So the AB is vector B, and then AC here, negative, positive, negative times positive here is negative. So we're going to have negative, then CB, we're going to substitute with this, the expanded one, not the factorized one. So we're going to say 2 vector A minus 2 vector B. Okay, so vector B here, I'm going to say negative times positive 2, it will be negative 2 vector A, negative times negative, positive 2 vector B. You have like terms here, so we can simply group them, B and plus 2 vector B minus 2 vector A. So 1 plus 2 is 63. There is an invisible one here, remember. B minus 2 vector A, and this is the answer. Now let's try to, so this is what we found if we move this side. Alright, now what are we going to find if we move A, O, or C? Alright, since it's still question 3, I'm just showing you AC, we can move AO plus OC. Alright, AO plus OC. So we're going to say, in fact, this is the easiest one. Okay, it's shortcut because you don't have to do much of the calculations. This is, I recommend using this one. AO is opposite, okay, which will be negative OA plus OC. So negative AO is 2 vector A plus OC is 3 vector B. So when you start with a positive one, we're going to say 3 vector B minus 2 vector A, which is the same answer as this one. So you see, this one even save time, unlike this one. Let's now find the answer the last question, which is question 4. Question 4, we are asked to find CM. CM, now when you look at CM there, CM here, so we're going to move, you can either move CB plus BM or CO plus OM, okay, whichever way. So me, I'm going to move CO plus OM. So CO plus OM, CO plus OM. So CO is opposite. Look at that. So it is negative OC. Okay, plus OM. You know, M is the midpoint of OB, so it will be half of OB. That's it. So here it will be negative 3 vector B plus half of OB. OB is the first answer of calculated, the first question of calculated, which will be 2 vector A plus vector B, like this. Then here you have negative 3B vector B, half of 2, which is 2 here, 1, 2 there, 1, which will be just the vector A. Then here it will be 1 over 2 vector B, because this B will be just attached. There's 1 here. 1 times half is just the half. We have like terms. We have B here and B here. In fact, this is 2 marks. Okay, since we have like terms here, we can say negative 3B plus 1 over 2B plus vector A over 1. Common denominator between these two is 1, so we can just say 1. 1 into 1, common denominator, sorry, is 2, not 1. 2, let me just write it nicely. Okay, let me just write it from here. We have negative 3 B vector B plus half vector B plus vector A. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to say over 1 here, common denominator is 2, 2 here, 1, 1 into 2, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6B plus 2 into 2, 1, 1 times 1, we just remain with vector B plus A. So when you add on top here negative B plus B, it will be, since it's positive 1 here, the same as we have negative 6 plus 1, which will be negative 5 over 2 vector B plus A. So always start with a positive 1, so we're going to say A minus 5 over 2 vector B, and this is the answer. Okay, this is answer. It's the same answer you're going to find if you move from CB BM here. You're going to find the same answer. Thank you so much. This has been question. This was question what? This is question 6A. It's been awesome solving this. So remember to do a lot of practice, a lot of practice, and that's the only way you become efficient and perfect. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video.